One of the big reasons for my success in life is that I've decided not to let myself become a victim to my circumstances and issues. There's obstacles in our way. We just go and we tear them down. We get through them. One major obstacle that I had to overcome is I had a bunch of unstructured debt as I was growing my company. I didn't know how to look at numbers or how to read them or how to job cost. And it ended up putting me in a really, really bad situation. So it's an obstacle that I actually had to go through. I hired a business coach. They taught me how to job cost, how to look at numbers. And from there, I actually had to almost shut my business down, restructure from the ground up. And from there, I was able to then create pricing models. I was able to then share the standardized pricing with our clients. And it's made our life a lot easier. And we've since then been able to create a lot of really cool spaces because we sat down, we looked at our pricing, we figured out what it was. I didn't become a victim to it and say, oh my gosh, I just can't figure out how much things are cost, or the price of pavers is changing so much, or water feature things are getting more expensive all the time. No, instead, I looked at it, I figured out what it was, figured out how much we needed to make per day, and then put together a standardized pricing sheet. And that's one of the biggest reasons that we're successful today. Don't be a victim to your circumstances. If there's obstacles in your way, go through them. Going through obstacles, bro. Going through obstacles. Truth is, this is a perfectly good shed, and I just wanted to tear it down just so I can make an awesome outro for this video. Get outside, my friends. Oh, wait a second. Actually, the shed was a piece of junk, so none of that was true. But still, get outside, my friends.